Hi everyone, SEO viewer here. Today I'm going to show you guys how to perform YouTube niche research using a tool known as YT Studio Pro. One of the most challenging aspects when it comes to creating YouTube videos is to decide which niche you're going to specialize in, as picking the right niche can literally make or break your channel. And if you've ever done a YouTube search, generally speaking, one of two types of videos tends to pop up. You either see a quick top 5 or 10 list of top niches that generate the most cash based off of CPM, or you'll see a YouTuber discussing their own research strategies to find YouTube videos. And while their methods might be correct, when you're just getting started off, you're probably just interested in a quick overview of how viable the niche is, right? VidIQ's niche finder tool works well to a certain degree, but it also throws a whole bunch of statistics in your face without really giving much of a clean, easy overview, and it can be a bit cumbersome when you're trying to search through a bunch of niches that you're potentially interested in to kind of test their viability. So the real nice thing about YT Studio Pro's tool is that it gives you quick and easy access to analyze a whole bunch of niches. So right off the bat here, you can see there's a whole bunch of categories. If for whatever reason a category that you're interested in isn't listed here, you can use the custom niche button here, type in the category and the niche, and do a custom analysis to see how viable the niche you're interested in is. Just to show you how this tool works though, I'm going to go into the travel and adventure category and pick digital nomad lifestyle. If you want to filter through these niches based on certain letter combinations, you can type it in here like this, and it'll filter down the options so that you have that available to you. Anyway, we're going to get started with the analysis here. And the real nice thing about this is that not only does it give you a sense of the competition level as well as the monetization potential and video scheduling that you'll have to take up in order to be successful in this niche, it also gives you 3 video ideas and titles to test to get started with your YouTube journey. So let's take a look at the analysis here. According to this, the digital nomad lifestyle has a medium to high competition level with high growth potential, and in order for you to grow your YouTube channel, it would be minimal for you to post at least 1 to 2 videos per week. It also gives you the top keywords and an overall analysis of the niche. And then at the bottom here, you can see what I was talking about, the 3 video ideas. So it gives you not only the titles, but a general overview of the kinds of things that you would do in the videos that you would post for this, as well as the viral potential, the target audience, the monetization potential, and content difficulty. The real nice thing about this is it gives you real quick overviews about a variety of topics, and you can go through hundreds of niches. If you want to fine-tune any of the niches based on thoughts that come up as you're searching through this tool, then you can use the custom niche tool and kind of assess those new ideas. If you like what you see, I have an affiliate link posted in the description of the video as well as the pinned comment. Thank you for your time. I hope the information presented here was useful to you.